Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So we're gonna go with today is a drink called the 14-hour later, right? It is a Japanese-based drink in the fact that it's made with matcha tea, right? And the name is a play on how far Japan is from the East Coast. Depends on the time of year. But anyway, first thing first. We're going to start off with 1.5 ounces of a London dry gin. Just 1.5 ounces. I'm going to use Bombay. 1.5 ounces. This is also like, it's going to be a sour drink, right? So first I'm going to do it in here with ice and then cool it, because one of the techniques to shake like a powder to get that thick foaminess is to dry shake, right? So we already chill it before we dry shake it with the matcha tea. Then we should have a nice powder former. Anywho, next we're going to go with 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Just 3/4. Next, we're going to go with same amount, 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Next, we're going to go with 1/2 ounce of a honey syrup. Honey syrup, just like a simple syrup, right? 1 part honey, 1 part water. Bring it to a boil. Make a honey simple syrup. So we got to go just 1/2 ounce. Just a little bit more of a honey simple syrup. And next we're going to go 1 more 1/2 ounce of heavy cream. Just mix this just a little bit, get that cream mixed. I'm going to add some ice to this. You may hear water hitting my house in the background because my neighbors decide to have their sprinklers on in the middle of the day at the hottest time of the day. Should be a Karen and call somebody. Nah, I'm just kidding. Anywho, I'm gonna give this a good mix just to chill, right? I'm just trying to chill. And then I'm gonna add my matcha powder to my shaker. My handy dandy shaker. Let's get a strainer so we don't get no ice in it, because we're just trying to get the texture of the drink perfect. All right, we got our matcha straight from Japan, because if you've been watching my videos, you know I just came from over there. But anyway, straight matcha. 1 tablespoon or 1 bar spoon. I literally saw this drink in the airport, and then I had to go find some authentic matcha from Japan. So I'm gonna give it a good shake. All right. Got our highball glass with ice in it already. Look at that color. Maybe I have a straw. Voila. All right, let's see. So this is a 14 hours later. Ahead, I'm sorry. A 14-hour ahead cocktail. As strange as it may seem, this works. It works as a sour drink, right? So if you like sour drinks and it has that little bit of matcha in the background. So if you like matcha and you like cocktails, why not make a 14 hours later? Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.